Good morning and welcome to your Farm and Home Show. I'm your host, Julie Brown, the Warren County 4-H Youth Development Agent. And today we're going to talk a little bit about picnic safety. Right now is the perfect time to get outside with your family. Social distancing is still in place, and this is a perfect time to get away from your house, maybe go to a local park, maybe just do it in your own backyard. So with thinking about a picnic, you can make this as simple and easy as it can be. But a few safety tips is to make sure you keep cold things cold. So you want to keep your uncooked meat, your potato salad, those types of things at 40 degrees Fahrenheit. Same thing with your hot things, like if you've already cooked your hamburgers, your hot dogs, those types of things, you want to make sure that they're 140 degrees or hotter. So when you do that with your cold things, bring an extra cooler just to keep your potato salad, your chicken salads, those types of things in. And do another cooler for your canned drinks, because we all know our kids like to get in there and get us something to drink, and they may leave that lid open. But if you keep two separate coolers, it's going to make sure that you keep your cold things cold. Also, make sure you keep your coolers organized. Know what you need to get out first, put that on the top, and the last things that you need to get out, put those on the bottom. That way that you make sure that you keep your coolers nice and closed. Make sure you keep those temperatures just right. Also, don't cross-contaminate. If you're planning on grilling when you're doing your picnic and you bring the raw hamburgers or the hot dogs and those types of things, make sure you throw those containers away. And when you get those hamburgers cooked, put them on new clean plates. Also, clean your produce before you go. Even if it's an apple that you're going to eat whole with your kids, make sure you wash that at home before you get to your picnic location. Also, when you get to your picnic location, always wash your hands. When you're getting everything all nice and set up, your kids will be playing, those types of things. You want to make sure that you bring a jug of water and some soap with you so you can wash them. Or if you just have some towelettes, moist towelettes, you can do that as well. So something that you can make with your picnic is a Crunchy Hawaiian Chicken Salad. And we're going to make that recipe today. So first thing you're going to do is you're going to put in 1/4 cup of mayo. This is a different little twist on a chicken salad. We've got something different in here that you don't normally would think about when you're making a chicken salad. Then you're going to put in 2 tablespoons of vinegar. You're going to put in 1/4 cup of sugar along with 1½ teaspoons of garlic powder, 1½ teaspoons of onion powder, and 1½ teaspoons of chili powder. And then you're just going to whisk all of this together. So this is a little bit of an outside your box chicken salad. You don't normally think about chili powder or vinegar in your chicken salad. But then we're also going to add another little twist. A lot of times when you think of chicken salad, you normally want to put in like grapes. But this time we're going to put in 1/4 cup of crushed pineapple. Or if you don't have crushed pineapple, you can put in pineapple tidbits as well. You're also going to put in 3½ cups of chicken. So this could be canned chicken, or it could be chicken that you've already cut up and shredded. You're going to put in 3½ cups of coleslaw. And then you're going to put in 1 cup of spinach. And then you're just going to mix all of that together. And this is an easy recipe that you can do at home. If you have kids at home, maybe just something different out of the box, you could do it everyday process as well. And so same thing with this. You're going to make sure that once you get this mixed up at home, you're going to make sure you put this in the cooler and keep it at least 40 degrees below Fahrenheit as well to keep it cool and so you don't cross-contaminate. After you get this all mixed up, you're going to put this on a tortilla. You're going to want about 6 of these tortillas for this whole entire salad. And then you're going to wrap this up burrito style. So you're going to fold your outsides in first. You're going to flip it over and tuck it in. And then you're going to want to cut that. And you're going to have a nice Hawaiian chicken salad that will be fun for the family. Something new that you don't normally have. And if you have any questions about a safe picnic ideas or some fun recipes that you can do with your family to take on a picnic, you can contact your local extension office. Thank you and have a great day for watching your Farm and Home Show.